the word trial itself is a usurpation of the powers vested in the Senate. Because when you conduct trial, it is an adversarial eh. So when you say trial, ipipresenta mo yung complainant, ipipresenta mo yung respondent. But to provide due process, the respondent has the right to ask question. Has the right to cross-examine. Eh kung wala yan, how can you say it's a trial? Di ba? So, these are all illegal. And most of the members of Congress are not lawyers. And there are lawyers who had already made up their minds. Dinala na siguro yan sa Bali, Indonesia, or kung saan-saan na nagaling yung mga congressman na yan, eh, made up na yan. Kaya nga, kung made up na yung mind nila, I challenge them, bring it to the Senate for the trial. Bakit pa ka mag-mini-mini trial? Eh, sabihan ko doon sa, para gumanda siya, mag-mini skirt na lang siya. Yung isang babae dyan, dalawa yan eh. Yung isa mahilig sa mga driver at saka security guard. Ito namang isa, tinatago niya yung asawa niya. So, paano natin nilirespeto yung ganyang mga klaseng mga congressman? Diba?
So, tama lang ginawa ng side ni VP Sara na hindi pwedeng, hindi
Yes. How can you appear in a farce trial? They're not using the word hearing eh. Even if it's hearing, it's a farce. Kaya made up naman minds niyan eh. Muro-muro na lang yan eh. So, nung una eh, gusto nga nilang dalhin kagad sa Senate eh, bakit ngayon dinidelay nila? Why don't they vote already and bring it to the Senate and let the real trial come about, di ba? So, but just the same, under our Constitution, due process prevails. So, ang right sa respondent is he can question it if there is an abuse of discretion. So, I think the lawyers of the Vice President, the Fortune Law Office, is filing their petition, I think, within the week. I have spoken to one of the, happens to be my classmate in law school. He said that they're gonna file a petition to question the process which are illegal being, done in the Committee on Justice.